I might be a little bit too country for this, but this is how you make a breakfast baked potato. So the first thing we're gonna do is cook our sausage. I'm using some spice and herb seasonings just to season my sausage, and I'm cooking them up. Then I'm gonna use the grease from the sausage to fry my eggs in, and I did add a little bit of butter so this won't stick to the pan, and that's about it. That's how we put it in there. Next, we're gonna wash and clean off our potatoes and season them. I use some avocado oil, but you can use any type of vegetable oil. Put them on some parchment paper and let them bake in the oven on 350 for about 45 to 1 hour. Then I took them out and took the potato part out of it, and then just added some butter, some milk. Then I added some sausage, eggs that we cooked earlier. And then I added some red pepper jelly along with some spice and herb seasonings from earlier. And mixed that all together, put it back in the potato. Added some fresh sharp cheddar cheese on top, put it back in the oven, and let it bake for about 15 minutes. And there you have it, this breakfast baked potato. Follow me for more recipes. My secrets to the best creamy chicken Alfredo. Number one, whatever cheeses that you use, make sure you add a little bit of flour to prevent the clumping and the separation of the cheese from the noodles. Adding flour to your cheese is going to help it emulsify better. This way is 100% better than making your own roux and then adding the shredded cheese last, because even when the cheese melt, it won't properly emulsify, and that's why you see the separation. My next secret is to have some roasted garlic on hand to add into your heavy whipping cream. And make sure you add in all of your ingredients back into the pot and let that get covered with the heavy whipping cream before you add your cheese. So remember, if your cheese sauce is too thick, you can add broth or water to thin it out. I hope this helps you. Looking for a cheap dinner night idea? Try this salmon ramen noodles. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get some sapa spicy garlic and sapa soy sauce, and I'm going to pour almost about 2 tablespoons on some clean salmon. Then I'm going in with some seasonings, and I'm going to marinate that for about 30 minutes. So while that's marinating, I'm taking some chicken stock, some cornstarch, some sapa soy sauce, and then some sapa spicy garlic, Highland sauce, some oyster sauce, and I'm going to mix that two as well, combine it and put it to the side. Next, all you got to do is boil off you some chopped ramen. Sear your salmon on both sides. Take it out and then add in your vegetables. I just got some green onions, some carrots, some grated ginger, and some grated garlic. And all I'm doing is adding in my noodles, adding that sauce that we created, adding in my cooked salmon, and then we're ready to enjoy. If you're tired of your old basic ramen noodles, here's how you make my famous sweet and spicy ramen noodles. To a pot of water, you want to add some beef bouillon, some mango juice or pineapple juice, soy sauce, brown sugar, red crushed peppers, and some olive oil. You want to let that boil and then add your noodles. And all you do from here is let your noodles reduce until it coats the noodles. Next, you want to scramble in 1 egg and let that mix. And then you can add some nuts if you want to, but that's completely optional. Like and follow for more. In a saucepan over medium heat, add frozen broccoli, cut up sausage, and some Creole seasoning. There you go. Then add panini noodles to a boiler with some salt and pepper, and I'm going to put a dash of olive oil so the noodles won't stick. Add down to low to your sausage and broccoli mixture, and then you're going to add some heavy whipping cream, about a 3/4 cup. Some Alfredo sauce of your choosing. The whole thing. Drain and add your noodles. Let that cook for about 5 to 10 more minutes, and I'm going to add a little bit more Cajun seasoning to my liking, but you guys can omit this if y'all don't want a lot of Cajun seasoning. You have it. Creamy Cajun Alfredo sausage and broccoli. What it do, baby?